I want you to love making vegan food, because when you make good plant-based food, everything changes. If you want radiant health for you and your family, if you never want to be stuck on what to cook for dinner again, if you want a stress-free, conscious and harmonious kitchen, then this could be the course for you. My name is Anastasia Eden and I've been creating vegan recipes for 27 years. I've written 4 recipe books, taught on many workshops and also work as an international retreat chef. So we'll be tapping into that knowledge and experience during this course. This program has been developed with optimal plant-based vitality in mind. It's all about nourishing your body and soul to help you feel radiant and healthy in everyday life. Please do read on to see how you can take your vegan cooking to the next level, and I really look forward to seeing you on the course.